Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 3, subject English, poem I'd like to be a lighthouse. Children, in today's lecture, we'll study about the poem I'd like to be a lighthouse. Let us first study about what is lighthouse. Children, a lighthouse is a tower, building or tall structure on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of light are thrown out. These beams or flashes of light help ships at sea to navigate, meaning to find their way across the sea. They can tell ships that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port, or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea, etc. In days of old, modern means of communications like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to people. Therefore, the warning signals of the lighthouse were very useful to ships. In today's age of radio, TV, internet, satellite services and many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or across the sky. Children, let us read the poem once. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Now I will explain you the poem. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. Children, in this poem, the poet says that he would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed, meaning washed and clean and painted in white color. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. Children, the poet says that he would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all through the night, meaning the poet do not want to sleep all night. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. Children, after becoming a lighthouse, the poet do not want to sleep all night because he wanted to keep his eye on everything. That is, he wanted to watch everything carefully that sails in his patch, meaning the area of sea near him. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Children, the poet ends the poem by saying again that he would like to be a lighthouse with all the ships watching him. So this was all about your poem, I'd like to be a lighthouse.